Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make quick and easy pesto aioli. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here today. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video and channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a quick and easy pesto aioli. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We have got 1 cup of some mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of prepared pesto, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, and a little bit of kosher salt and pepper along the way. Season it up. This recipe is in the first pinned comment or in the description box below. Don't forget to look at that. Anyway, let's go ahead and start making this. All right, this makes about a cup and a half, so you want a bowl big enough to support that and be able to stir it up in there. So let's get our mayonnaise in there. I know this is not true aioli because we're not making it from scratch, but this is a quick and easy recipe like it was pointed out to make a nice little pesto dip. So you got your mayo in there. Let's go with our pesto, lemon juice, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then our fresh garlic. Remember, the recipe is in the first pinned comment or the description box. Check that out. It is printable on my website as well. Alright, we're mixing this all up. Alright, there's our pesto aioli. We got some tots in the oven. We are going to put some pictures together and we're going to come back and give this a taste. Enjoy the music, enjoy the picture. Alright, this looks and smells incredible. Let's see how it goes with the old tots here. Very thick sauce, very creamy, holds well to the, let's give it a taste. Wow, yeah. You got the creaminess of the mayonnaise, that basil-y freshness of that pesto in there. You can taste that garlic cutting through there, the lemon juice giving it the acidity. This is good. Be good on a BLT, chicken sandwich, French fry dip. I mean, anything with tomato in there will match really well with the pesto. Creaminess is something else. You get that nice lemon and garlic in there too. Now, this holds for about 3 weeks. Put it in a nice Tupperware. You don't have Tupperware, anything with a sealed lid. Throw it in your refrigerator, keep it there for about 3 weeks if it lasts that long. This is really good. Quick and easy pesto aioli. Remember, the recipe is down in the description box or the first pinned comment. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.